Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee and I am doing something different today. So if you are new here, my name is Renee. I'm from Wisconsin. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3 kiddos. I am living with multiple sclerosis and I have been following the keto diet and am on my way to feeling well and healthy and getting back into the swing of things. So I am at a point now. I have lost over 50 pounds following the ketogenic diet and that lifestyle, and I've included intermittent fasting along the way. And now that I've lost 50 pounds in the middle of my journey, I need to up the ante on my fitness. So ever since I was maybe middle school, high school, even into college and stuff, I was always fit. Even though I didn't look fit. I was actually an overweight kid, an overweight teen. This has been a lifetime journey, but I was always physically fit. I played softball, basketball, I played volleyball. I was into sport. I love any kind of sport I could play. And then when I got sick, when I had my relapse with multiple sclerosis, all of my energy and my strength, my endurance, everything was just thrown out the window. It was almost like you took a $20 bill and lit it on fire. Like it was gone, like everything. And so over the last year and a half, I have been working on just getting to a stable place with managing all my symptoms and things like that. And then I eventually started the keto diet because after some research, I learned that it was really great for brain health and skin and energy and all the things. And so I hopped on that bandwagon, lost a chunk of weight. And now that I can move a bit better, I can move around a bit more, I am finally in that space. So I am super excited about that. And I have decided to do the Couch to 5K program. So so far, as I'm recording this, it's only day 2. So it is very, very new to me, but I am, I'm ready for the challenge. I'm ready to up the ante, to get things moving again, to feel stronger. It's not really a matter of looking thinner, feeling, becoming like supermodel. I want to be able to keep up with my kids and to have that energy. I want to be able to play with them more. Right now, my mobility isn't that great. But to be able to build that strength and that endurance and to be, a bit quick and to just have a little bit of something to bring to the table when I'm messing around with my kids and playing and stuff, that'd be super, super nice. So, sorry, after running and all that, my hair, it got got that little frizz factor going on there. So we're just gonna do a little bit of that. Right? First world problems. So anyway, so I plan to follow this this program, the Couch to 5K, and to really get things moving with it. And then I plan on adding some kind of resistance band training with that. I actually printed off a whole mess of stuff, little guides, tips, and tricks to work that into my training. And then I will do a follow-up video when I have reached that goal of training and conditioning my body to achieve running a 5K with confidence and endurance and that mobility to get things going, or not to get things going, but once I've achieved that goal, I will do a follow-up. And now once I've achieved that, I need to keep up with it, right? And then I also want to I need to sign up for my first 5K. So a few years back, I did the muck run, and oddly enough, that was actually like a fundraiser, kind of a charity run. It was actually like a big obstacle course kind of idea, not too far from where I live, and it was for multiple sclerosis, and I had no idea. I'd never heard about it before, but a girlfriend of mine, her husband copes with a lot of neuro things that he experiences, and she said, hey, do you want to come do this with me and support me and cheer us on? And I said, yep, sure. And little did I know, I was kind of running for myself. So kind of cool in a sense, in that way, in perspective, to put things into perspective. So, yes. So anyway, if you have multiple sclerosis or something along those lines and you have done something like this before, or you're in the middle of your journey, if you're starting out with your journey like you just found out, anything along the spectrum, anything along the way, please leave a note below, and so we can connect with each other and support each other and cheer each other on, because I know how important that is, to have that community, to have that space. Sometimes you can feel alone when you're in the middle of something really hard, especially when you're just starting out too, and you're trying to figure things out, you're trying to get your bearings set, or even if you don't have multiple sclerosis, but you know, you're working towards something, you're working towards weight loss, you're working towards finding a community, any of those things, leave a comment below. I would love to cheer you on and just connect with you and to be your support. So, all right, thanks guys so much for watching, and we will see you when I will post another video when I finished this Couch to 5K program and all things. So, all right, have a great day, guys. Take care and hit that treadmill.